Rwanda is a nation on the move. This small country in East Africa has big aspirations. At the heart of these ambitions is a major infrastructure project, Bugesera International Airport. This new airport is not just about bigger planes and more flights. It's about connecting Rwanda to the world. Bugesera is a symbol of Rwanda's commitment to progress. It represents a bold step towards becoming a regional hub for travel and trade. The airport promises to transform Rwanda's economy and enhance its standing on the global stage. This is a story about ambition, innovation, and the power of connectivity. The airport's location is strategic. Situated approximately 50 kilometers outside the capital city of Kigali, Bugesera will serve as a gateway to Rwanda and beyond. It will cater to the growing demand for air travel in the region. The project has garnered significant attention and investment, reflecting its importance not just for Rwanda but for East Africa as a whole. The story of Bugesera International Airport is a testament to Rwanda's vision for a brighter future. It is a future where Rwanda is no longer defined by its past, but by its aspirations for growth, development, and global engagement. The airport is a concrete symbol of this vision taking flight. The construction of Bugesera International Airport is a massive undertaking. It involves collaboration between Rwandan authorities and international partners, showcasing the global nature of this ambitious project. After some initial delays, the project found its stride with the finalization of key players in late 2024. A consortium of companies has been assembled to bring this vision to life. Leading the charge is Urbacan Trading and Contracting, a renowned construction firm from Qatar. UCC brings a wealth of experience in large-scale infrastructure projects, ensuring the airport is built to the highest international standards. Joining forces with UCC are two other major players, Mota Engel from Portugal and Consolidated Contractors Company from Greece. Mota Engel, with a previous stake in the project, brings valuable knowledge of the Rwandan context. Consolidated Contractors Company, another global heavyweight in construction, further strengthens the consortium's expertise. This collaboration of international companies underscores the significance of Bugesera International Airport. It is a truly global project with the potential to transform Rwanda's infrastructure and position it as a key player in the region's aviation industry. Bugesera International Airport is more than just an airport. It's a strategic linchpin in Rwanda's vision for the future. Its geographic location, nestled in the heart of East Africa, makes it an ideal hub for regional travel and trade. This strategic placement is key to understanding the airport's significance. Rwanda aspires to become a central connecting point for passengers and cargo moving across East Africa. Currently, many flights in the region require layovers in other hubs, adding time and cost. Bugesera will streamline these journeys, offering more direct connections and facilitating smoother travel experiences. This improved connectivity will have a ripple effect throughout East Africa. Businesses will benefit from faster and more efficient transport of goods, opening up new markets and opportunities for trade. Tourism, a vital sector for many East African nations, will experience a boost as travelers enjoy easier access to the region's natural wonders and cultural attractions. Bugesera International Airport has the potential to transform Rwanda into a regional powerhouse, facilitating trade, boosting tourism, and strengthening ties with neighboring countries. Its strategic importance cannot be overstated, as it paves the way for a more connected and prosperous East Africa. The economic impact of Bugesera International Airport is expected to be significant, injecting new life into Rwanda's already burgeoning economy. The airport is poised to be a catalyst for growth, creating jobs, attracting foreign investment, and boosting various sectors. The construction phase itself is generating employment opportunities for Rwandans, providing valuable skills and income. Once operational, the airport will require a large workforce, from ground staff and security personnel to hospitality and retail workers, further boosting employment numbers. Beyond direct employment, the airport's impact will be felt across multiple sectors. Enhanced connectivity will attract foreign investors looking to capitalize on Rwanda's strategic location and growing economy. Sectors like tourism, hospitality, logistics, and manufacturing are expected to experience significant growth, fueled by the airport's presence. The Rwandan government recognizes the airport's transformative potential and has made it a cornerstone of its economic development strategy. Bugesera International Airport is not merely an infrastructure project, it's an investment in Rwanda's future, promising a brighter and more prosperous tomorrow for its citizens. Like many large-scale projects around the world, the development of Bugesera International Airport faced challenges, most notably the unforeseen disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic's impact rippled across the globe, impacting supply chains, causing travel restrictions, and creating economic uncertainty. The pandemic's effects were felt in the project's timeline, causing delays and requiring adjustments. Lockdowns and travel restrictions slowed down construction progress, while global supply chain disruptions impacted the availability of materials and equipment. These setbacks, though unfortunate, were not insurmountable. The Rwandan government, in collaboration with its partners, demonstrated resilience and adaptability in the face of these challenges. Measures were taken to mitigate the pandemic's impact, ensuring the project remained on track despite the setbacks. The determination to move forward despite these obstacles highlights the importance of this project for Rwanda's future. The pandemic, while presenting unforeseen hurdles, also underscored the significance of robust infrastructure and international collaboration. The lessons learned during this period will undoubtedly shape the project's future, ensuring its successful completion and long-term viability.